Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started with presentations in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic tool for creating professional-looking presentations quickly, whether you're working on a business pitch, school project, or creative showcase. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access the full range of features Adobe Express offers. This step ensures that all your work is saved and accessible across devices. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage. Look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar, click on it, and type the word presentation, then press enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a variety of presentation templates that Adobe Express provides, giving you a solid starting point rather than building everything from scratch. Now browse through the available options and select your preferred presentation template. When you've found one that catches your eye, click on Customize Template. This action opens the editor where you can make the presentation truly your own. Let's start customizing. For instance, if you want to change any text, simply go ahead and click on it. The text will become editable, allowing you to rename it to whatever suits your needs. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt any template to your specific message or branding. If you want to delete an image from the template, click on the image first to select it. Then look up at the top toolbar where you'll see a delete button. Click it and the image will be removed from your slide. This is useful when certain placeholder images don't fit your vision. To add your own images, click the plus icon located in the left panel. From the menu that appears, select Media. This opens up Adobe Express's media library where you have access to a wide range of visual content. Next, click on the Photos tab. Here you can browse through available images and select your preferred one. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search bar to find exactly what you need. This makes it quick and efficient to find the perfect visual elements for your presentation. Once you're done editing the first page, simply scroll down to proceed to the second page. Alternatively, you can click at the bottom of the editor page where you'll see page navigation controls. This allows you to move through your presentation systematically. Now repeat the steps for each subsequent page. If you want to edit text on any page, go ahead and click it and make your changes. The same process applies for adding or removing images, keeping the workflow consistent throughout your entire presentation. And there you have it, you're now equipped to create stunning presentations in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.